Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to ERP with character AI. While engaging character AI, it's important to be mindful of ethical usage, specifically when it comes to sensitive topics like ERP. While character AI is designed to provide conversation with a wide range of AI personalities, engaging in inappropriate or explicit content goes against the platform guidance. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Character AI has community guidelines that restricts exclusive or inappropriate content. ERP by its nature involves explicit, which would violate the platform rule. If you are attempting to engage in content that breaches this guideline, it could lead to warning, bans, or other action against your account. Character AI uses various filters to restrict inappropriate content, including explicit ERP conversation. Engaging with AI character in any capacity should be done respectfully and within the bounds of appropriate behavior. If you are interested in role-playing in a more creative, non-explicit manner, character AI can be a great way to engage with AI in a fun and imaginative way. While character AI allows users to interact with a wide range of characters, using it for explicit ERP would violate the platform rule. It's always best to ensure your conversations are respectful, creative, and aligned with the platform community guidelines. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.